Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've received a parcel through the post and I thought you might like to have a look at it with me. So let's get in and have a look and see what we've got. We've got one diamond painting shaped package, a second teeny tiny diamond shaped painting shaped packet. Diamond shaped packages, if things came shaped like diamonds, I think people would be fighting you for them in case they were real. So let's have a look at the small one first. This one has decided to get a little bit stuck to the packets and I did cut it a little bit when I opened it. But this is one of my specials, one of my little teeny tiny specials, and this is one I'm going to be using for a birthday card. A little girl whose birthday will be coming up at some point. I just saw it and thought, right, I need to get that. I know somebody who would like that. So we have a boat. Let me just see where this one was from. It is from the LXGCLX official store on AliExpress. And this one cost me £3.13. And I ordered it on the 18th of February and it's arrived on the 12th of March. So there you are. That took a while to come, but we have had Chinese New Year. I like the fact now that they are letting you buy these little paintings without having to buy the frame with them. That makes a big difference to me, because most of the time, as I say, I make these into greetings cards. Oh, this cover doesn't want to come off to get flattened. There it is. Struggling away with it. Yeah, I don't need the frames, and I end up with lots of frames, and a lot of them are gifted to friends and family, and then some of them go to charity because I just, I won't be using them. But yeah, so I think you can see that's a little princess. And the little girl that I've got this in mind for likes those little princesses. It's all special drill, so it's got a nice picture underneath, and then we've just got different size drills. It's one of those like full coverage special drill paintings where the whole of the canvas is covered, well, apart from her eyes, and then it's not all butted up together, so you can't call it like a full drill. It is like a full coverage, I like to call them. It's got the same size as my little Scotty sticker there, look, which I think is going to be about 5 inch by 5 inch. So let me have a look. Well, the actual drill area is a little bit smaller. So we're about just over 4.5 inches that way, which is 12 centimetres that way by 12 centimetres that way, which will be, yeah, it's in between sort of 4.5-ish inches. So, it's just nice as a little greetings card. And so I will probably put this onto like a pink frame and then put a blue sparkly frame or a pale blue like metallic card behind it, and put this onto either a 7x7 or an 8x8 card. I think this will probably go onto a 7x7 card. But yeah, just something I like to try. I do like these, and as I say, it will be made into a greetings card. Basic toolkit, pen, boat and wax, which is fine. And then, oh, this looks like it's a mixture of drills. So let's have a look. Looks like she's going to have a little pink face. Okay, so these aren't all crystals, which I thought they were going to be, but we've got a few nice colours. So we've got like an orangey colour, which looks like it's going to be the snowman's nose. We've got your standard black, which is going to be the snowman's, looks like his sticks for his arms and his buttons. Just move that up so you can see the picture. We've got that lovely aqua blue, and then a little bit darker blue for shading. And I presume the goldy yellow is going to be a hair, and that's a very pink face. And then another blue, which I presume these are all going to be the dress. And then we have the white, which will be the little snowman and some of the snowflakes. And then it looks like the background then is made up of the 3 aqua coloured gems. So the princess and the snowman are all, well, they'll be acrylic drills, these. And then the background is all going to be sparkly. So that'll make it a little bit different. Okay, like that. Yep, like just a nice little evening's project. And something to do. I think the thing is with diamond paintings, you do tend to find that you suddenly end up with a lot of them because you've done a lot. Whereas if you do greetings cards, just get that back in, crinkle, 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 then you are actually giving them away. So you're not just ending up with another one on your portfolio. Albeit I do like to take mine out and have a look from time to time. So that's our little princess. Pop her on one side a moment. And then this one. I know I said I wasn't going to order any more double-sided tip canvases. I have enough and I don't really like doing them. But I just liked this one, and I thought I might do a little bit of an experiment with this one, but you'll just have to wait and see. So we have a 30 by 40 canvas, double-sided tape, and this one is from Evershine. We have drills in bags, and oh, I thought we didn't have a toolkit then. It didn't want to come out. I was just about to say, no toolkit. Oh dear. So let's have a quick look at the toolkit first. So this one is, oops, let's have a look. We have your cheap, very bendable tweezers, which if you can see that has already started to get a curve on it from the packaging. But yeah, they're okay. I use them for picture frames and things. But yeah, they are what they are, that's all I can say. But it is a pair of tweezers. We've got 2 rectangles of wax, which is like 4 squares. We have a little white flat bottomed boat there, and a pen with 2 multi-placers. That one is a 10 because it says so on it, and that's a 4. And they are the thin white ones, so anybody that likes their multi-placing. I understand these are the easier ones to use, which I must admit these are the ones I have used when I have had a go at multi-placing. So yeah, you've got your clear sparkly pen, your pen grip to make it easier to hold and to stop sticky hands, and just your single placer at the end there. So yeah, not a bad toolkit. It's okay. So it's probably going to be donated to the Ugly Ducklings again. I just pop those all back in there. That's a little group that's I think something to do with the charity Mind as well, and they do all these different activities with the people that go there. So this is a nice rose. Okay, say 30 by 40, and it's 35 colours, which is pretty standard. Looks like it's from the same factory again. So I'm going to take this one out. It has got quite a dent in it there, which is a shame because I'm going to use this one for an experiment. I'm going to have a play again. Right. So let's get this one out. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm going to take this one out of the packet. With that, we are going to take this one out of the packet. Oh dear. Come on, get out. I know they have to put packaging on, but sometimes it likes to fight back. Okay, so let's just cut this here without cutting the canvas. Okay, so let's get the sellotape off, and then we are going to open this up and have a look at the picture. So yeah, we're a fairly, that's quite a big dent in there, which isn't good. Keeping that a second. So this is from Evershine. I've used my AliExpress discount coins. and it has cost me £3.45, this one. Now this just has 2 pieces. Oh no, it has got 3 pieces. I thought there wasn't a join there, but there is. This has got really, really dented, which is a shame. Yeah, you can see possibly on the back there. Don't know whether we can catch that. Yeah, you can see if I bend it where the thing, where the cover sheet is on the back, you can see where all the ridges are there on the back. So that's not brilliant. The roller wants to come and say hello a bit closer. Just go over there, please. Right, so let's just flatten this out a little bit. Okay, take these off and let it relax. You do need to be gentle with the double-sided tape. What did you think to my comparison, taking the double-sided tape off a canvas and replacing it with poured glue? I was quite impressed. And yeah, so I knew this one wasn't going to be brilliant in the writing stakes at the bottom down here, and what I wanted was a double-sided tape canvas that I'm going to roll back up onto its foam roller and just see what does happen if, once you've flattened it all out and then put it back onto the foam roller, what happens to it. Now, I've always said, and I've always been told, that it will ruin the canvas, it will get bubbles in it, and it will harm. The sticky on the top will start coming away from the canvas underneath and will end up a mess. Now, if that happens, which I suspect it will, then I don't mind, because what I'll probably do is strip this off. I've got a few different ideas of how to take off the double-sided tape, and I will make this into a poured glue canvas using my magic glue, like I did with my owl. But I just want to actually see what does happen, because I like to know these things, and I like to try these things. And if I'm telling somebody, oh, don't do this because this will happen, I want to see it myself. So this is why I've bought this canvas. It's a pretty picture. It's not necessarily one I would have particularly chosen myself. I do like it, and I mean, I would probably do it and gift it to somebody, or, you know, it's not something I would particularly have on my wall at home. And as I say, because it is small, I didn't expect the writing down here to come out anyway. It's a plaque here with some sort of writing on, but I did want it for my experiment, and I thought for £3.45 I didn't mind paying that just to see what does happen. It's a shame actually that it has got this crease in the middle, because I didn't really want it. I wanted it to come as good as possible, shall we say, so that I didn't have to then compare what it was going to look like afterwards. So let's just pull this back at this side a little bit as well. It is a shame it's come a bit creased, but I think it's what I need to do when rolling it back up. I need to see how damaged the canvas will be, and what I'll probably do is leave it maybe a week and come back and take it off and have a look, and then I may leave it another week and come back, and we'll just see what actually does happen to the canvas and see whether it does really ruin it and crease up. As I say, I'm not overly worried if it does. Just trying to get this a little bit neater as well, just bear with me. Right, okay, so that is now as flat as I can get it. I've covered the gaps over in there. I've just played about a little bit more with it. So now I am going to roll this back on the foam roller. I'm and we'll see what happens. So which way around was it? It was this way, wasn't it? And I'm going to leave it probably a week to start off with, and we'll see what happens with it. So remember the rows, and I'm just rolling it up. I'm not doing it really tight, I'm doing it sort of as it came, not too, let's try and keep it straight as well. Okay, I certainly wouldn't do this with a canvas that cost a lot of money, but I just thought we'll have a go. So we're back rolled up as we were. Let me just grab some washi tape. Oh, can't use that one. Strangely enough, it's my I've got my rose washi tape that I got in my advent calendar from Cattiad, so that matches the picture actually as well. So let's just stick this back up. Bet you're all cringing at the screen, but let's just see what actually does happen to a double-sided tape canvas, double-sided adhesive, when you've unrolled it and put it back on the roller. And I'm going to do a few of these experiments because I might have one that I'll leave out for a while and then roll back on the roller and see what happens. But yeah, that's going to be quite interesting to see. So watch this space on. We'll just quickly show you the colours of the drills. I'm not going to take them all out. I think you can more or less see they're all lovely greens. There's a few darker browns there for the background, but there are mainly these gorgeous rose pink colours, because they are roses. But yeah, they're pretty okay, our Evershine drills. You know, they're not the best quality, but they're certainly not the worst quality, and I've not really had any problems working with them. Nothing I couldn't work around. So that is all of those drills. Okay, I'll pop those back. So that's the drills, that's the canvas, all neatly rolled back up. We've put the washi tape around there as well. So we will wait and see what happens with this. So this is the start video, so watch out for the rest of it. And as I say, we did get our little princess as well there, just to help us out again. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me, and you're looking forward to seeing what happens with this canvas, the same as me. See what happens. Then if you can give me a thumbs up, it's always much appreciated. It just lets me know I'm on the right track, and it also gives me a little bit of a boost with YouTube too. And if you press the subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, then you will be notified when any of my videos come up. So my next video that comes up showing you, say, it will be at least a week, that I'm going to leave it now rolled up, and we'll see what happens. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.